We're here at Apparition Hill, and I take you up there now. Let's go together. Up the road, Apparition Hill, and see what's going on here. There are more pilgrims. Let's go on the adventure. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, and see what is going on in Apparition Hill on 5 in the morning. So come with me. We'll check out what's going on. There are many people or so. Oh, there are some people. Let's see the adventure. I have to park my car, my bicycle. I call it always a car in the morning, especially when I'm not woken up yet. Oh, there are quite a few people here. What I see now. Because at 5 o'clock, the town of Medjugorje prays every morning and goes up Apparition Hill praying, you know. As you saw, I drove quite fast and I'm a bit exhausted, but that's okay. Let's put my bike here. Look here, I like this coffee shop, by the way. Good morning. It's amazing, all the people are here. See that? Isn't that beautiful? It's the first time in my life that I'm doing that. Oh, you see that? This is beautiful. I leave you with this beautiful view. See the quietness of the place. Look at that, that's beautiful. That's just very, very beautiful. Bye bye for now.